Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on WordPress. So basically, you cannot sell digital products on WordPress by default. But in order to do so, we'll need to install WooCommerce. It's basically a plugin. So once you logged into your WordPress dashboard, go to this list panel to plugins and make sure to go and click on add plugin. So once you do so, go to search plugins right here. And all you need to do, just type WooCommerce and hit the enter button. So just wait a little bit until they search for your plugin or for the WooCommerce plugin, and then it should show right here. The WooCommerce plugin where you will have to install it, then activate it. So as you can see, WooCommerce plugin. For me, it's already installed. It just needs to be updated. But as you can see for you, you'll find an install now button like this one. Once you install it, you'll find activate. So make sure to click on activate as well. For me, as I said, it's already installed. It just requires an update. So I'm just going to update that. Using this WooCommerce plugin, we'll be able to add digital products into our WordPress site. So let's just wait a little bit until it's updates, and then I'm going to come back. So here we are. Once it's updated, you'll find updated right here. For me, I'm just going to go as an example now into the plugins that I have. And let me just go, of course, and look for WooCommerce. So here is it. I can go and click on activate if it's not activated yet. So once I click on activate, it will open, of course, a new page to basically complete the setup wizard. So if you have an example, or if you know how to set up your store, you can click on skip the guided step. But if you don't know, you can just go and click on set up your store. And as an example for me, I'm just going to skip whatever can be skipped. And here you'll be able to do whatever you want. So for me, I'm just going to do like, I don't know, some random stuff. Let me just do, and yeah, I'm just going to do somewhere here. Doesn't matter. And yeah, I'm just going to keep everything at the moment. And as you can see, it will create my site. So just wait for it until it's done. And you'll be able, of course, once this site is created, you'll be able to go and create your digital, or basically add your digital products. So once it's done, basically, it will open this right here. And as you can see from here, we'll be able to add our products in WooCommerce. So just go and click on add products. And as you can see, so what products do you want to add? Do you want a physical products? That's not what we want. Do you want a variable products, which is basically products with variation like color or size? Or do you want a group product, which is a collection of related products? And here you'll be able to view more product type. So right here, as you can see, we will find a digital product like service, downloadable blog, music, or video. So just go and click on that. And basically, you will be able to add all the informations that's related to your product, starting as example by the product name. For me, I'm just going to keep it as example. Test here doesn't matter. And here you will have to add the product description. You can even add the media as example. And other than that, if you go down, so you can choose the product data. So any information like the price, sales price, regular price, sales price, the downloadable file, if you're going to add any downloadable, like the download limits, download if it's going to expire. And here's like example, the inventory. You'll be able to keep track of that. And here you can, example, link other products for app sales or cross sales. Here, if you have any attributes, you'll be able to add it. Any advanced things like a purchase note, mini order. And if you want to get any more options, you'll be able to do it. And here, basically, I don't know what's that's Pinterest, probably if you want to link something using it, I'm not sure. And here, basically, you'll find the product's short description to add that as well. And yeah, once you're done, just go and click on publish on the right, and you successfully start selling your digital products on WordPress using a WooCommerce plugin. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.